Maitai nganu ngaktane. Maitai nganu se marang mi lon dadi keno kawe kakak pui kawe moi ki khong was makon kak lawe na. Moi sing siam hararam do male they look so happy. No I am do male. Happiness ki secret se ke ho jana. Let's find out. And Dr. Benji says, it's really that simple. All you need is a healthy birth, secure attachment, happy childhood, minimal or no trauma, high resilience to stress, loving friends, family and partner, fulfilling work, financial security, manageable targets, 8 hours of sleep a night, regular exercise, healthy diet, access to nature, limited use of alcohol, drugs, and social media, faith or spirituality, and acceptance of failure and death, an ability to process grief, a naturally positive outlook, maybe a pet, a gratitude journal, plus or minus antidepressants, therapy, and 100% charge on your phone. So, kasi po gyan tayo po di Dr. Benji is a psychiatrist ni, but mas stand-up comedian naman sune. So, he's just kidding. Dr. Benji in hiding is a life complexity is a nice bite-sized explanation. The compact option ga haragadi minor ridiculous answers fangni. So koina mindfulness school of thought yang taragadi koina idea of genuine happiness mindfulness to understand that was a quick sense of well-being hama. So well-being doesn't mean a sad sungay or have taba. It means that kitang sad or gasu not deeply sad or gasu we can still hold awareness that I'm okay, that this will be okay have. So human experience ki para mo doing ko na emotions fao ba je si khang ba sidagi ko da resilience ama adagi a sense that I worthy oi I so valuable oi ko gi life se meaningful oi ga haise ko khang mangam adubu we spend so much time ko in happiness external circumstance to ni yeng bado asengwadi external circumstance da koi control laite hai tar akoi gi outside the thoiba sumba sing se how events would unfold adagi mean kamaina act torokani a situation kamaina turn out torokani sumba sing se koi control da laite ngasai koi mathak ta pan kiba financial security adagi targets ka hariba 8 hours sleep ka hariba regular exercise healthy diet ka hai it may not always be available to us. So, but the external circumstance ki makabol. Atubu kaki beautiful truth ang mahal taragadi. So, but external circumstance ko control the later taragasu. Mo isi tholok pakanda when these events happen. Ako na kamay respond toge how we show up. The level of motivation and presence. Kaya ampora kaya budo adumadi ako ikotale. Sigi external events sida koina meaningful among the in ways we feel good about nongai ba phauhan ba mong the respond to ba kanda akoi the sense of well-being ama lak pa hawe. So quick response kari ni meaningful hangani adu do madi that is for each of us to figure out for ourselves sisinani koina we work on ourselves. So this is why people go to therapy. To learn new ways to engage with life's events. Adana koi loina makidi what brings meaning se loin different oi haitar. Akoi gi thabak se akoi da karamba actions adagi perspectives karamba connections na meaning pige koi life ta se discover tawina base. So akoi da thokraba sing to understand tawakanda akoi past experiences, akoi struggles, akoi wounds, so ma'am so khangma ngamak taragadi akoi na tung the future events in the kamine engage to bun hai akoi choose to bungam hal akoi the genuine happiness and well-being nurture to promote to mong. So the secret to happiness is in us akoi sai sa lo yarogale.